So now to our session video, and now we over here have our session 1 and session 2 files right here. So in this one we are going to discuss how to modify a session variable and how to destroy the session. Okay, so let me go ahead and session, write my third file right here, and if I go ahead and define my PHP tags, and to modify a session variable, all you have to do is to set it again to another value. Okay, and of course all of this will be dynamic based on your user's choice. You won't go every time and change the variable values in your code. This will all be dynamic on your web application. Okay, so let me first start the session. As I said, you need to start the session, do something with it. Every time you need to change anything in your sessions, you need to start the session right in the top. Okay, and now we can just go ahead and type in our session variables. Now just like that, we have the username. Let me change it to John123. Okay, and of course you can change any one you want, any variable, any session variable you want, as long as it's there, or it will trigger an error. Of course we need to change this to whatever value you want. Okay, let me set it to 25, and now let me echo both of them out, and let me say echo session user name, and like that we need to concatenate. Okay, session and the age, I mean this was a semicolon. Now let me add some text and concatenate right here. Let's say my new name is, okay, like this, and let me concatenate. We didn't concatenate right here. We need the dot to concatenate stuff, and right over here, not here, here, my age is, okay. Now it's all set. Now let's echo some symbol message. Let me echo BR first so we can get a new line. Let me echo some message. Let's say it's now set. Okay, so this is it. Let me go back to my browser right here, and we are going to change this to 3 so we can execute this script. And now if you look over here, my new name is John123 and my age is 25, and now it's giving us our our value right here, our value and our message. So now what if we want to destroy all this session? When a user exits your website or close your website or close the browser, his session will be destroyed. Okay, it's just a simple example of this. When your user log out of your website, this will actually the code that you will write to destroy everything and to get him booted back to the home page again. Okay, so if we go ahead and get to our first file, session, was it session or sessions? Yeah, it's session.php, and let me start our PHP tag, and of course we need to start with our session start variable method, just to destroy it, and session unset, which will unset all the variables on the script. Okay, now to the last one, which is session destroy, just like this. Okay, so what basically happens right here, we're starting the session, and now we are setting all the variables, and you know, it will remove all the variables, and of course the values. Okay, and now we're destroying the session, and let me echo some symbol line over here. Session now is destroyed, just to verify things. Destroy it. Okay, I suck at writing. Okay, all you have to know about me is I suck at writing and spelling. Okay, so now if we go to our force file, okay, now it says session now is destroyed. Now if we went ahead, now if we go back to our session 2 file, which was right over here, session 2 file. Okay, this was, you know, this was echoing out the username and the age. If we go back to it on our browser, like so, now it says undefined index username and age online 16 on this line of code right here. So our interpreter doesn't know what this means, because we actually destroyed our variables and destroyed the whole session. Okay, so all we have to do, of course, to get this back again, and of course you will have some security configuration to prevent this. If we go ahead and log back to our session 1, it will run the script with you know, which starts the session right here, and see this and set this to their values. And if we echo out the session, so it will give us back the values right there. And of course we can do that back and forth. If we go to 4, this will destroy the session. And now if we go back again, okay, now the sessions are destroyed. Of course you will have some kind of, you know, file configuration to prevent this session thing, because it's a big whole security issue. Okay, so this is it for sessions, and see you on the next video.